How to troubleshoot Toshiba AC remote problems. Your Toshiba AC remote likely isn't working due to dead batteries, an obstructed sensor, a dirty sensor, or a fault with the remote itself or the AC unit's receiver. To troubleshoot, first try new batteries and ensure they are inserted correctly, then check for physical obstructions blocking the signal between the remote and the AC unit's sensor. Also, clean the small sensor on the AC unit itself and use a camera to test if the remote is emitting a signal. If these steps fail, the remote or the AC's infrared receiver may need replacing. Check the batteries. The most common reason for a non-working remote is dead or low batteries, so replace them with fresh ones. Make sure the new batteries are inserted with the correct positive, plus, and negative orientation, as shown in the remote's battery compartment. Clean contacts. Check the metal contacts inside the battery compartment and ensure there isn't any dirt or corrosion preventing a good connection with the batteries. Inspect the sensor and signal path. Ensure there's a clear line of sight between the remote and the AC unit's sensor. Furniture, walls, or other objects can block the infrared (IR) signal. Dust or grime on the AC unit's sensor can prevent it from receiving the remote's signal. Gently wipe the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. The remote has an LED that sends the signal. If you've dropped the remote, the LED might have become dislodged or damaged. Test the remote's LED. Point the remote at your phone's camera, or a digital camera, and press a button. You should see a light, often purple or white, on your phone's screen if the remote is working correctly. Consider a unit or remote problem. If you have another compatible remote, try it to see if the AC unit responds. If it does, your original remote is likely the faulty part. Inspect the remote for signs of physical damage, such as being dropped, or for moisture damage from spilled drinks. Consult the manual. The manual for your specific Toshiba AC unit may have troubleshooting steps or error codes that can help diagnose the issue.